This 8 inches green ceramic frying pan by Ozeri is a great addition to any kitchen. It's like having a little slice of springtime on your stovetop. The vibrant green color is cheerful. It makes cooking feel a bit more fun. This 8 inches green ceramic frying pan by Ozeri boasts a smooth ceramic non-stick coating. Food slides off easily. Cleaning up is a breeze. And that's a big plus for busy cooks. You won't have to scrub stubbornly stuck on food. Imagine perfectly fried eggs or a tender steak searing without any hassle. The fact that this 8 inches green ceramic frying pan by Ozeri is 100% PTFE and PFAS free gives peace of mind. You can cook for yourself and your family without worrying about harmful chemicals. The handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. It feels solid in your hand. This makes flipping pancakes or stirring vegetables safe and easy. While you might see amazing cooking videos online, this pan helps you create your own delicious meals at home. It's not just for frying. You can sauté, sear, and so much more. If you are looking for a reliable and healthy frying pan, this could be it. It's not a magical tool from Gotham, nor does it promise unbelievable returns on your cooking skills overnight. However, it's a solid, dependable pan for everyday use. Forget about complicated apps or fancy filters. This pan simply helps you fry your food well. It's a practical choice for anyone who enjoys cooking and values ease and safety in their kitchen. Tools. Pros. 8-inch size, green color, ceramic material, frying pan type, smooth coating, non-stick. Surface, PTFE free, PFAS free, Ozeri brand, easy to clean, potentially durable, even heating. Cons. Uneven heating, non-stick fades, scratches easily, not dishwasher safe, honeycomb pattern. Hard to spread oil, made in China, questionable design, coating concerns, bottom can curl. Features. 8-inch size, green color, ceramic material, frying pan type, Ozeri brand, smooth coating. Non-stick, PTFE free, PFAS free, safe coating. This 8-inch green frying pan from Ozeri is made with a ceramic material and has a smooth, non-stick coating. The pan is designed for frying and is guaranteed to be free of PTFE and PFAS. These are chemicals that can be found in some non-stick coatings and have raised health concerns. This Ozeri frying pan offers a safer cooking surface for everyday use. The 8-inch green ceramic frying pan by Ozeri is a non-stick frying pan with a smooth, green ceramic coating that is advertised as being free of PTFE and PFAS. It's made in China and features a honeycomb pattern on the cooking surface. While it's designed to be easy to clean and potentially durable with even heating, some users have reported issues like the non-stick coating fading, the pan scratching easily, uneven heating, and difficulty spreading oil. There are also concerns about the design and coating, with some mentioning that the bottom of the pan can curl. It's not recommended to put this pan in the dishwasher.